Here's a recently new floor plan by Bushwacker Plus by Braxton Creek. This is the 17 MB. This is a small, lightweight, teardrop style trailer that's going to weigh in at about 2,480 pounds. We'll circle the unit so that you can get a good look at its profile. At 2,480 pounds, we'll give you a lot of options to be able to get out and tow without having to change over your tow vehicles. Or you want to get into more rustic more rustic campsites, this may be that option. You'll notice the nice solid step as you come in. Right to our left, we have our wet bath, so we have our toilet and our shower with a nice colored surround. To our right, we have a single door mini fridge. So great for storing your cooled goods. Some storage space above. A nice dinette that converts for sleeping. Stainless steel sink and 2-burner range. And yes, there's a microwave here and air conditioner. We also have a 12-volt fan to be able to circulate air, and some storage above our dinette, as well as our radio, and then some speakers around. Now, this is a Murphy bed floor plan. So what we actually have here is a sofa by day, or we take that sofa, just going to put some gear down, we take that sofa, lift it, fold it flat. We come over to the side, and you'll notice there's a little lock here, and there's one over on the other side. We've actually undone the one side so that, oh, sorry, I did not undo the side. We come over, unlock this side. Maybe we'll have a blooper reel one day. Fold the support down, and then we have our mattress, which we can simply reach in and grab and fold out. And now we have a nice large bed. That's a queen size bed in this unit that allows you to have great comfortable sleeping at night. And then putting it away is simply the reverse. Take our mattress, fold it up, push it up to the front. Do that on both sides. Now this is a little easier if you do it two-handed versus my one-handed operation. Take our locks and lock them in place, and really if you wanted to be super quick, you could even just do one. Take our sofa, fold it up, and the sofa sits back in place, and you've got yourself your trailer ready for the day. Something small, something lightweight, 2,480 pounds. There's a lot of places you could go and camp really well, and there's various models. Check back for videos on other floor plans of these Bushwacker Plus units that we will have on the channel. Thank you to you, our viewers, for viewing this short video of the 17 MB. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe, as we're trying to increase our subscriber base, and it would be greatly appreciated. Take care.